Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to update to Windows 11 without losing your data. So quick one, guys. First of all, you need to first make sure that your data is backed up on your laptop. By that, come and tap on this start button over here, then search for backup. You see this Windows backup application. Go ahead and open it. And here you see that for my case, I backed up all my data. So if you haven't backed up your data, come over here, then select what you want to back up. For my case, I backed up everything on my desktop, everything in my documents, and also my pictures. Then even if you have some applications you want to back up, you can see I also backed up some applications. So even if you want to back up all your settings, I also back them up. And even the credentials, passwords, all those things, I back them up. So once you're done backing them up, now come over here to Chrome and then search for download Windows 11. Once you tap on that, tap on this first website, which is the Microsoft website. So once you tap on the first website over here, you see this download button over here. Okay, go ahead and hit on that download button. Now, once you hit on that download button, obviously you'll be prompted to select the Windows type you want. Okay, so for this case, this is the installer. This is the installer assistant, and you can see you already downloaded it. Now, just click on this show in the folder, and then it will open up here. Now, to go ahead and run the installation, just click on right click and then tap on open. Once you tap on open, then the download will start running. For my case, I won't be downloading because I'm already using the latest version of Windows. But basically, that is the procedure. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.